Rohan was an energetic boy living in a small village, always eager for new adventures. Every afternoon, an old man named Baba Karim would sit under a large banyan tree, observing the world quietly. One day, Rohan and his friends were loudly playing near the old tree, their laughter echoing everywhere. Baba Karim gently advised them to be careful near the old well, as its edge was crumbling. Rohan just waved him off. "What does he know?" Rohan whispered to his friends, "He's too old to understand our games." Later, while chasing a ball, Rohan slipped near the very well Baba Karim had warned about, almost falling in. He managed to grab a root, hanging precariously, his heart pounding with fear. Hearing his cries, Baba Karim quickly hobbled over, calmly instructing him on how to pull himself up safely. With Baba Karim's steady guidance and strong hand, Rohan was pulled back to solid ground, shaken but safe. Rohan looked at Baba Karim with newfound respect, realizing the depth of the old man's wisdom and kindness. Always respect your elders, their experience and wisdom are invaluable treasures.
एक छोटे खुश्क गांव में अली नामी एक नौजवान रहता था, जिसके ख्वाब बड़े मगर वसाइल बहुत कम थे। पानी की कमी के बाइस इसके खानदान की छोटी सी जमीन पर कुछ भी नहीं उगता था। एक शदीद गर्म दोपहर अली ने खुद एक गहरा कुनवां खोदने का इरादा किया। इसके खानदान और पड़ोसियों ने इसका मजाक उड़ाया और इसे एक अहमकाना नामुमकिन काम करार दिया। हिम्मत न हारते हुए अली ने अगले ही दिन अपना काम शुरू कर दिया, तपती धूप में बेलचे से लगातार खुदाई करता रहा। इसके हाथों में छाले पड़ गए मगर उसका हौसला बुलंद रहा। दिन बदन गांव वाले वहां से गुजरते अक्सर सर हिलाते आतंजिया तबसरे करते। वो सरगोशी करते, इसे कभी पानी नहीं मिलेगा, ये वक्त का ज़िया है। महीने सालों में बदल गए और गड़ा गहरा होता गया, लेकिन पानी का कोई निशान ना मिला। अली अगरचे थका हुआ था, फिर भी खुदाई का एक दिन भी नहीं छोड़ा। इसे अपने खानदान के भूखे चेहरे और प्यासी जमीन याद आती, जो इसके अज़्म को तक़वियत देती। वो जानता था कि सिर्फ मेहनत ही उनकी किस्मत बदल सकती है। एक शानदार सुबह जब उसके बेलचे ने जमीन से टकराई तो जमीन से ठंडे साफ पानी का एक फवारा फूट पड़ा। अली ने पहले हैरत से और फिर खुशी से देखा। खबर जंगल की आग की तरह फैल गई और जल्द ही पूरा गांव जमा हो गया। उनके मुंह हैरत से खिले रह गए। नामुमकिन मुमकिन हो चुका था। अली के कुनवे ने उनके खुश्क खेतों को सरसब्ज और शादाब जमीनों में बदल दिया। इसका खानदान खुशहाल हो गया और जल्द ही दूसरे भी वाफिर पानी से मुस्तफीद हुए। अली, जिसका कभी मजाक उड़ाया जाता था, इस्तिकामत की अलामत और एक मुअज़्ज़ज़ बुजुर्ग बन गया। इसकी ना टूटने वाली मेहनत की कहानी ने नस्लों को मुतासिर किया। हकीकी कामयाबी कोई तोहफा नहीं, ये अनथक मेहनत, सब्र और गैर मुतज़लज़ल अज़्म का समर है।
There lived an old man named Baba Karim, often seen sitting quietly by the village well. He had a gentle face but looked frail and neglected. His clothes were always worn and dusty, and his beard was unkempt, making many people avoid him. They often assumed he had little to offer. One bustling afternoon, the marketplace was full of chatter and hurried footsteps. People moved past Baba Karim without a second glance. Suddenly, a little girl, clutching her favorite wooden bird, stumbled and watched in horror as it rolled into a deep, narrow drain. She burst into tears, her mother trying desperately to comfort her, but the toy was too far down to reach. Her attempts were in vain. Several strong young men gathered, offering advice and trying to fish out the toy, but their large hands and tools were useless. Baba Karim, who had been observing quietly from a distance, slowly rose and shuffled towards the distressed group. People whispered amongst themselves, wondering what this seemingly helpless old man could possibly do to fix the problem. They doubted his capabilities. Baba Karim calmly picked up a discarded wire, straightened it, bent its end into a small hook, and with surprising skill, gently guided it into the drain. In moments, the bird was retrieved. The little girl's tears turned to smiles, and her mother, along with everyone else, looked at Baba Karim with profound respect and gratitude. They had learned a valuable lesson. Never judge a book by its cover. True worth and wisdom are often hidden beneath simple appearances.